Hello, hello. Welcome to Beauty Kitty Studios. I am very much excited to review these nails. My favorite nail artist is, her name's Cristy. She goes by Nailed by Cristy. I had my eye on this set a while ago, and my best friend of like 30 years, our psychic bond is just that deep. She ended up getting me these for my birthday. So it was meant to be, and I'm very excited. They're so beautiful. They are handmade, hand painted. Cristy does a really good job on her nails, and she uses really good quality products, so they are very much reusable. I have had sets of hers that like numerous wears out of. You do not have to throw these away or destroy them. It's like getting a set of acrylics that you can reuse. I'll add a video I did in the information section of a set I did of hers where I basically show like everything with press-on nails, how to use them, reuse them, nail prep, with sticky tabs, with nail glue, all of the fun stuff. So I'll have that in the information section too. Everything that you need comes with the set. So you get your little cuticle pin, you get the liquid glue. This one didn't have the sticky tabs, which is fine with me. I have so many of those. Plus I wanted to use the liquid glue for this set. If you end up hearing a bunch of strange honking sounds, we have become like a bird daycare. Our yard is where like every mama bird is just leaving their fledglings. It is so cute and so comical. There is like a group of crow fledglings, and they honk so loud when they're demanding food from mom. It's really cute. They're just sort of like belly flopping into the bushes out back. But they're definitely loud, so I apologize if it shows up, but it is a very cute sound. There's fledgling, the blue California scrub jays. We've got those in the yard, and they make like this really cute squeaking sound the little babies do. And there's little baby sparrows. I'm not even joking. There's like some 20 birds all at once, and they all just look so disheveled. It's really funny. Fledglings are like the same size as the parents, so they just look like these sort of drunk, confused birds until you realize that they're actually just little babies that are just trying to figure it out. Aren't we all? It's that time of year, though. I seriously love butterflies, and these might be like the best sort of butterfly style nail in my opinion. There's a lot of different styles, but this is personally my favorite. I mean, I guess you can call them stained glass, but they for sure look like butterfly wings to me. We don't get like a lot of the colorful butterflies on our property. We get those swallowtails. They're like really big yellow ones, and they're always mistaken for monarchs, but they're not. We get a ton of those, and they'll just like follow me. It's so cute. And we get a ton of hummingbirds and dragonflies. And the hummingbirds are so sassy. Like, how does something so teeny tiny have such a big old sassy personality? Like, they will literally follow me and, like, cuss me out until their nectar is full. Like, yeah, that's right, fill my nectar, or else. I mean, they will, like, flutter all around my face until they get their... It's so funny. But I love them. I love them so much. I love how noisy and crazy they are. And curious. I mean, they'll come hover right up to my face. Curious little guys. They're really smart, too. They can see us through the window. It's pretty wild. Like, they'll literally hover at the window and kind of turn their head to check us out. It's really something. Apparently, this nail video is just going to be about nature. And if you're still listening, then awesome. Thanks. I really want to set up some cameras outside and actually start filming because it's pretty hilarious. Like, we have a little skunk butt that hangs out. He's so cute. But man, sometimes a raccoon or cat or the coyote will startle it and it will let you know. It is so rough. It'll be like midnight and I'm having to light a bunch of candles because it just gets all up in the house. It's really, really strong. Again, like, how is something so cute and so tiny just that brutal of a stench? Like, why, Mother Nature? Why did you do that? But I love them all. And I love these nails. They're really, really sturdy too. I mean, they really are like getting a set of acrylics that, like, look at those. Come on. They're so beautiful. And they fit really well and so comfortably. Super sturdy. They are not going to bend or break or snap or scratch. She uses really good top coats. I highly recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your support. If you like what you see, please click that subscribe button and follow me for more fun videos.